Hey everybody, this is Dr. J. Kamal and Professor Omar, streaming live from Long Island, New York. We're going to start off with a little chart that Professor Omar prepared for us. Take it away.
Okay. You see here, I did a little research here. So, as of the 18th, September 18th, so we had the rally of 30% without any pullback. I mean, 5% pullback. And there are only a handful of cases like that. I mean, if you go back all the way to the, post-war, Second World War. And if you see here, most of them actually, there are, I would say, like three kinds. Either we reached 30% and we had 7% correction, or five cases where we went 5%, between 5 and 10% more before having 7% correction. There are cases where it went on for a lot more, 20 or 50%. And I don't know, there is a lot of talk on the internet if you see the parallel between what's going on right now and 97. The reason is that in 95, there was the introduction of Netscape and the internet bubble. And in this case, in 2022, we had the ChatGPT, and from there we have the AI. And in addition to that, actually, what I found is that in 97, the same thing happened. So we went on for 30% without a 5% decline. Now, if this parallel still holds, then in 97, actually, I made a little mistake here. It did not go 0.8% up. It went 1.1, which is the same, pretty much the same. I mean, 1% higher than the 30% mark. And 1.1 higher than 30% mark will bring us to 6705 in our case. I'm gonna just switch the thing to the chart of the S&P. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about.
I love those charts.
Oops.
I love those charts.
Yeah, sometimes it's very good to do this kind of research. We used to do a lot with Dr. J.
We did all kinds of data.
Yeah, well, a little bit more than that, of course. So, anyways, so now if you look at the S&P,
I don't see anything. I see black. Oh, yeah. Okay, I see it
you
now.
see it now? Yeah. And right now you see this channel here, the one I presented last time. You just connect the high of March 25 to the high of July 31st. We have that trend line. And you have the green one. I'm gonna just show you what it is. The green one is if you connect the low from the COVID to 22, and then you just put a parallel here on the high of January 22nd, 22. We have that green line. So today, if you look where we stand, we are right at that junction. I'm sorry. So we closed right there, right at the red trend line and the green trend line. Now, in my opinion, what's going to happen in this case, if tomorrow, I'm sorry, I'm changing too much here, the daily, this is the daily. If you go to hourly, you see, we didn't close above that red trend line. Now, I think if tomorrow we close higher than today, chances we're going to go to 7,000 without that correction. And there is also a good chance that this is it, and we start correcting from here. I don't know which one is going to happen. But
if we start correcting from here, what would be the target?
I would, of course, the first target would be the 50-day moving average, but I think it's going to be taken out. We're going to go to the 100 moving average. You see the 100 here is right it's right at the this is hourly, right? So yeah, I'm sorry, not this one I'm talking about. Yeah, this is the 100 down here.
Okay.
Down here, so it's 6200.
Okay.
That's the that's my, I don't know if I'm hoping for that, or it's that I think that's where we're gonna go. And then, but it's going, I mean, once we start correcting, it's gonna take probably 2 3 months before we rally again.
Uh-huh.
A lot higher, 8500, 9000, easy.
So you're calling for maybe at most a 10% correction.
10%, absolutely. I would say between, yeah, between 7 and 14 in general. That's the thing. uh, the median or would be or the average would be 10%.
All the way to 8,000.
I mean, in 97 we had a 7% correction, then it went up a little bit higher, then we had 13% correction again.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
But
I
then
mean,
we
if that's
also had a strong market.
yeah, but
After that,
usually, I mean, parallels always don't work the same way.
yeah. But
After
in
that is sky.
97, we had a
Yeah.
very strong market after the correction.
But it took like 3 4 months.
I don't
uh,
remember. Wasn't it like 3 years?
I mean, no, the we can go there. The correction itself, uh,
Um,
can go there. Sorry about that.
that I don't know. 3 months.
Hold on. Yeah, it's right here. This is uh, this is 97.
Testing
We
the
had this little one is the 7% correction. We went higher, then we made a 13% correction again.
yeah, and then we went much higher after that.
And then after that, of course, after that, all the way to 98, where we had LTCM
Right.
crash, 20% fall. I think it's around like 40% from the low to the high.
History is said to rhyme. I could see something like that.
Yeah, it's not gonna play exactly the same way, but I think the levels are very likely to happen. But and this time, I think it's going to be contraction in terms of time, because information, goes a lot faster than it used to be
Doesn't
than
seem that
97.
way. Everything happens faster.
Yes, very a lot faster with ChatGPT, with everything. So what happened 3 years during 3 years in 97 could happen in 1 year this time,
Great.
probably.
I mean, we could get the correction that you're talking about and close the year at 8,000.
Or rally until next October, next year.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. That's how I see it myself.
You don't know.
Yeah.
That's
That
the
would-
one great thing about the market. The equalizer is that nobody knows.
no, yeah. I mean, it's only probabilities. You look and you say, okay, this happened, and we can then you monitor and see whether the similarities continue or they stop. That's all you can do.
But bottom line is nobody knows.
Bottom line, nobody knows. There are those who know, but you don't know him. I don't know them. You don't know them.
I think our market is much too large to be manipulated over time.
Over longer period of time, absolutely, but over shorter period of time, definitely there's a lot of
I
manipulation.
saw some manipulation in the crypto market over the weekend.
Yeah. Uh,
Big drop down on Sunday. It was suspicious.
I mean, you see, I mean, Goldman Sachs cannot unwind, I don't know, $50 billion position or something without manipulating the market. Otherwise, you're going to crush the market. So
Right.
it's obvious.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you had the thing, yeah, Bitcoin today
Not only
is
Bitcoin, all the crypto.
all the cryptos. Yeah.
Ethereum, Solana.
Ethereum minus 6%. Yeah. Bitcoin, I think it's going to go to the 200 moving average right here.
Ethereum crashed a lot in 5 minutes.
Yeah. You see the thing, this is a bull flag, and the next destination is likely to be the 200 moving average.
What do you got, Bitcoin?
Yeah, Bitcoin.
So
The-
you're thinking if the whole market pulls back, this will pull back too as well.
Definitely, and this is gonna very likely bottom um, together with the market or even before the market because there was leads,
What
right?
are you looking at? Close to 100?
100 or 98. Usually, what it happens if you have this down, it's gonna take this low to for the stops, to five stops.
So,
Usually, that's what they do. They take the low and then boom rally from there. So
okay,
I would say 97, 95 probably,
okay. I
something
mean,
like
yeah, that's nothing for Bitcoin.
yeah. And Ethereum probably 3700.
Bitcoin, it's a hiccup.
Ethereum around here. You see the
Bitcoin,
100 moving average?
when they go down, they could go down 70%, 80%.
Easy, yeah. Yeah, they do that.
That's what
So,
scares me about holding a big position in crypto.
well, MBNR is really not bad. I mean, when you see, even though actually today dropped a lot, but I would definitely buy it at the 50-day moving average, something somewhere there.
You what?
The Tom Lee thing,
Tom Lee is
yeah.
huffing and puffing and can't blow the house down though. Is people are now not taking him as seriously
Why?
because he every day he's on with the same story. You get tired.
Yeah, but he's the pampering chief.
You get tired of it.
Yeah, he's just pumping the things. I think they will pump this thing too as well.
Yeah.
Then the next leg is they will pump it really big.
So Kamala's making money day trading. That's okay.
Day trading, wow.
Yeah.
Mm.
So the thing is, I mean, I could be making a lot more money if I held a little longer, but I'm okay with it. So the fact that crypto today went down, and usually before a correction, crypto usually goes down, that's probably a sign as well, right?
Yeah, it's always leads actually, definitely.
Because strategy and BMNR and Ethereum and all of them went down like significantly today.
Big time.
Yeah, I think Ethereum dropped about 10% in 5 minutes and then came back.
Came back to 6%.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah, BMNR 10% down today.
yeah.
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 So that's probably helps. I mean, that doesn't help, but that's probably a sign that a correction is could happen.
Very likely. The thing also the yeah, the interest rates are going up and there are many things at the same time. We'll see. Um, everything is possible.
Yeah, I mean, it's a crazy market. You would expect the 10-year to go down, goes up. Very crazy.
And today, look at the thing. I mean, all the markets are every market is green except RSP, and the VIX is 4% up. This is usually bearish when you have the markets up and the VIX up. It's bearish
Right.
to me. Yeah, I mean, in 2018, it went on like for 10 days where the VIX was going up while the market was going up, and then we had like a blow off top.
Yeah.
And yeah, and the drop of 14% or something like
And
that.
they don't usually go up together.
And in 2018, the same thing. We had the run from 2016 all the way to January 2018, 30% without a 5% pullback.
Right.
Then we went 5% more. Then we corrected 14%.
That was a big
So
correction.
yeah, I don't know whether this is going to follow the 2018 or 2017 or some. I'm sorry,
It was
1997 or something
I
else.
think it collapsed right into Christmas and then it came back.
Yeah. So
If I remember correctly.
yeah,
Christmas.
that was after. Now I was talking about the first drop in January 2000, February 2018.
But it bottomed in the end of the
Yeah,
year.
it bottomed at the end of February. Then we went up a little bit by little until Christmas, until August, and then we started going down and bottomed in Christmas.
Yeah, that was a big bottom.
Yes, that was a very big bump. Yeah, that was when Powell just reversed the interest rate.
Yeah, rallied overnight.
Hmm.
So that's history for you. And
Yeah,
you have to learn from history.
always. I mean, that's the only guide we have. Yeah, you cannot predict the future.
Yeah. And of course, history rhymes, it doesn't really repeat.
Never, never.
So it's going to be a little different each time.
Definitely. I mean, the same thing. The concepts, for instance, you're gonna have the 7 to 14% correction, but when you never know how, you never know. It's gonna be different when most people don't expect it.
Right,
Usually, that's when it happens. Yeah. And
right.
right now, actually, people just start to be desperate to have a green day, a red day, right? So usually that's where shit happens. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. You want to take a look at Kamal's gravy train?
What is it?
BMNR.
Yeah, I just looked at it.
Yeah.
It's minus 10%.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I mean it's. I think it's gonna come back again, but
You
this is
look
gonna go probably to the 50-day moving average.
to
Yes,
go to the green. You buy it at the green.
at the green, definitely I'm gonna start buying here 46.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, if it gets there, I
Yeah.
think it will.
Right.
Yeah.
All right. So that's it. We did good.
So
Anybody, Kamal, you have any requests for Omar?
No, no.
All right, Omar, anything
all
else you
right,
want to show us?
not really. That's
Oh,
all I have.
all right. So you know what? Let's keep it short today. We'll just do our future ideas.
Cool.
All right.
All right, take care, guys. Bye bye.
Not yet. You got to give us your prediction for tomorrow.
Tomorrow. I don't know. Again, I'm hoping to see a very big down. I mean, down day. Probably then we're gonna get 2 up days. It's very likely we're gonna end September near the highs, then correct in October.
Let's remind everybody our opinions are strictly our
Of
own,
course,
not investment advice. And we'd like you to subscribe to the show so we could break the 3,000 mark. We have 2,998 subscribers, Omar.
that's great.
So we need
And yeah, subscribe so that you don't miss
Kamal, you
the
have
updates.
any thoughts for tomorrow? What you might be doing?
I'm thinking we're gonna have a minor correction in this week. I'm expecting it this week, to be honest with you. Probably tomorrow,
I
starting
think
tomorrow.
there'll be low volume tomorrow and the next day because of the holidays, Jewish holiday.
Yes, there is a
Uh,
holiday, Rosh Hashanah.
So
then,
I haven't made a trade in a week, believe it or
and
not.
then we have Dr. J. I think Wednesday, is it Wednesday where we have the inflation data or something like that?
CPI.
PCE, I think.
Oh, PCE?
Yeah,
Not sure.
yeah, I think it's. Hold on, I'm just gonna look it up here. Friday, Thursday. Yeah, no, Wednesday, Tuesday. We don't have. There is the Powell is speaking tomorrow.
Okay.
It may move the markets,
Does
and
anybody
then
does anybody care anymore what he has to say?
I
It's kind of a lame ducker.
think we have the inflation data on Friday.
Yeah.
Maybe it's gonna move the markets as
All right,
well.
so my plan is to probably sit out the rest of the week, at least until Thursday or Friday, and then I'll reevaluate. I haven't made a trade in like a week. I'm
It's a
very
very good plan.
just taking it easy, watching.
It's
All
a
right,
very good plan.
happy trading. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on Thursday, probably. Bye.
Ciao, guys. Bye. Bye.